What's the meaning of besiege? Besiege. Besiege.
Besiege. Besiege. The word besiege means to surround or encircle a place, particularly a city or castle, with the aim of capturing it. It can also refer to besieging someone with requests, demands or questions. When a place is besieged, it is often cut off from the outside world, and supplies such as food and water become scarce. The objective of the besiegers is usually to starve or weaken their opponents into surrendering. Besieging has been used as a military strategy for centuries and remains relevant to this day. It is a brutal and often effective method of warfare that has shaped the course of history countless times.